Everyday mods every way. Today we have a very special vehicle here. We've got Alex's Datsun 1200U, Datsun, and he's got a little range of modifications he's done to this old beauty. Got a little list here because all I know is Hondas, so got to bear with me. Anything post 2000 is all I know.
Vindog didn't even know this was a Datsun. He just
I thought it was a Hilux.
I think he did.
But anyways,
we've also been told to add the clear coat filter.
yeah,
It's
we've
not
got the
coming through
clear
at
coat
the
filter. Bit of a 10 footer, so just keep your distance from this car.
We won't go that. We won't go that.
No,
too
no, no,
far.
can't be fine. So, in this beast, get into the interior first before we crack open the engine bay.
We just say how much of a functional vehicle this is. Just
Oh yeah, very capable vehicle. If you're a tradie in 2022, you could easily get around in one of these. You might have, a bit of problems getting up some hills and speed bumps, roundabouts.
But let's be honest. Do you look better in this or Hilux? You look better in this.
For real.
You look better in there. Look at that.
Must be
And
wild.
the best feature of the whole car, the side exits.
Some of that's not radical. Alright.
We'll give me a tour of the interior.
Get into the interior. So, in here, we have some beautiful, tan, brown colours in the interior. We've got some fake off-brand Italian steering wheel, according to Alex. It's Greek. We have a short shifter in the interior. So,
You want to give them an idea of that?
so it's
Is it short enough?
yeah, it's quite short. I mean, for a bloody utility vehicle, I'd say pretty good. 4-speed manual.
You put it in, mate. You suit it.
Do I?
Yeah.
It's the ethnicity.
I reckon this is the new work vehicle.
You reckon?
Yeah.
I reckon as well. We have a old-fashioned radio. I'm pretty sure Alex put some Bluetooth thing in here, or some cassette Bluetooth, I don't know, some old shit. Anyways, it also has a choke somewhere that you can pull because it might stall on idle. It's just a 1.2 litre motor, so it's
Carbureted as well, so you
carbureted.
got to choke them up, hey?
Yeah.
The choke's probably it's gonna be.
It's one of these
Yes,
little knobs
It's gonna
here.
be that one there.
Probably
That's
this
the
one.
choke. That's the cigarette lighter. It's your washer fluid. That's your headlights. That'll definitely be the choke.
Yeah, Sean's
Pull
on.
it for cold start, mate. It's like the lawnmowers, mate. It's like fucking
Yeah.
lawnmower.
You just gotta keep it running,
Yeah, mate. That's
So
it.
let's get our good friend Alex. Alex, how do you open this hood?
Do you know how a car works?
Mate.
We're just gonna take an intermittent pause until we learn how to open this up.
You know how a fucking car works, mate? You serious?
My lack of maintaining professionalism, Seany's going to go through the mods list of this beautiful Datsun.
Since Vindog and I only used to shit boxes and not old cars, so we've had to get up the list here. Don't mind me, we're far, far, far from professionals. So this is a 1979 Datsun 1200U. Basically, what is that, 1.2 litre?
Yeah.
1.2 litre, 4-banger. Yeah, beautiful width. Obviously, we've got dual carburetors. We're also going to have, it's got headers, so extractors. Also has stage 2 cams in it, so you guys will see, we'll give you a bit of an exhaust clip. Got that really cool lumpy idle. Makes a lot of noise, doesn't really go anywhere, but you get to keep your license with that as well, so it's an all-in package.
Made a whopping 60.
Yeah. So it said there, it's
Mate,
60 horsepower.
sounds like my lawnmower. It's good.
That's about your lawnmower's horsepower, right?
Yeah, something like that.
Similar, yeah. Similar to your bike.
Yeah, but your lawnmower doesn't cost 30 grand.
Listen, mate.
30 grand car.
It's Honda, mate. It's still Honda.
Yeah, so obviously Vin's shown you the short shifter. We also have the aftermarket wheels, they're 14 inch, and then 155 wide tyres.
Some Greek fucking autonomy.
We'll show them the engine bay, we'll give them a tour because I think the audience isn't used to this style of car, Vindog, so you want to give them a kind of a good look of it. Half radiator, shaved head, so what we've basically been told is they reconditioned, they shaved down the head basically to have a smaller contact from the top of the piston to the head, so increased compression because of that. That's pretty cool. The battery looks bigger than the engine.
It is bigger than the engine.
It is bigger than the engine, and the alternator is as well, so obviously it's going to have good electrical power. We've got the lights on at the moment, but as you can tell, it looks pretty easy to work on. Very, very cool car, but we'll take you guys for a drive maybe and give you a sound clip and show you how it goes. Hey?
Yeah.
I'm going to start up the beast. We can't be revving it because we're just going to get an EPA. Ooh. Drop a comment for that, guys, alright? We're pulling the beast out. There we go! Braking traction.
Lock up the brakes.
No ABS, no traction, no stability.
Not at all.
She sounds good while doing it, eh? Wow, how cool is the radio? Gauges. There we go. Top gear, eh?
4 gears only.
Does this thing go on the highway at all?
Yeah. I took it to Eastern
Is
Green.
it just like loud the whole time? Like, yeah.
Alright, Shawnee, what are we doing?
So guys, to catch us doing some quick late time mods, what we're going to be doing is doing a lighting upgrade to the XR5. We've got to make sure we don't run anyone over when I'm reversing. It may not have happened in the past, but
Yeah. Don't
way-
hit the neighbours' kids.
yeah, mate, some dogs might be a victim to this car because of the lack of reverse lights.
Yeah.
So we'll show you guys what we're talking about. So Vinny, if we show them, this is the one reverse light on the car. And if you come over here, there is no reverse light. It's a fog light, which is useless.
Mate.
There's no fog. Okay, so there's no reverse light up here, anywhere else. And it's a pretty weak light. We also, we got a kit basically, where we have the other side of the reverse light. This is from a left-hand drive car. So this is from a German Ford Focus, basically.
Mate.
So and the Germans do it, they buy the right-hand drive, so they match up. So what we got to do is, you can kind of see the vision, put that there, so it's symmetrical. It kind of make it look a bit of a cleaner build, and these really simple mods of what encapsulate the XR5 is a clean OEM plus build, and yeah, we'll show you guys. This should look pretty good. So we'll turn on the. I'll show you the fog light how it is now. So
Yeah.
we have the before and after.
I'd say this install is quite therapeutic for someone with OCD. I'd say
Yeah.
share the video with someone with OCD.
Yeah, well, we're fingers crossed that the fitment's good. Vincent and I have said this is a 10-minute install, so we'll see how it is. It's we basically got to get a custom-made harness as well. I'll show you just in a second after we show you the light.
See it. That's beta as. You need both sides going.
Can you see that?
Yeah, yeah.
Pretty weak light. So we
Yeah.
have upgraded bulbs as well.
Upgraded bulbs.
Beautiful, freshening the beast up.
Yeah, mate.
Speaking of freshening the beast up, go look at the Illumo light install that we did on the FN2. That's another good way to fresh up your old car.
Link up there. But yeah, that was a great video that did those really simple mods that encapsulate your everyday mods every way.
That's it. So now,
So part of the kit we got, that's the obviously reverse light we showed you to make it symmetrical. we also have in here a custom harness. So this is that harness that's been handmade in Australia. Australian made products. So what it's basically going to do is we're going to piggyback off the other reverse light. We're going to feed this harness, which is a plug and play harness, so it's said to be of high quality, and we can plug and play it to the other side, and we're now going to have two bright reverse lights that really clean up the look of the car. Okay, so let's get into it, mate.
Nice.
Alright guys, so you catch us underneath the XR5 where we can see the bit of the stuff we've done. As you can see there, we have our white line sway bar still going strong with the white line upgraded sway bar links, which is just there. But nonetheless, up here you can see the stock reverse light. Okay, so what we're going to basically try to do is we're going to try and pull this little bit out. So we've just popped that out there. As you can see there, that's a little stock reverse halogen bulb. And we're going to try to pop in our LED into there. Alright guys, we're on the ground here trying to do the other one. Just had a spider almost try to kill me, okay? So I'm risking my life out here for you guys.
Yeah.
Just to get you that content.
Come on.
Let's try to get this other light out as well. So we did the same thing as I just showed you. I've just done that on this.
So Seany's just popped out the light.
3 simple clips.
Easy stuff.
So I'll show you the clips. One there, and one there. Okay. So wow, how good. We'll get the other one on now.
It's a real deal here.
Look at this, all cracked.
Cracked and useless.
Old. Chuck it out.
Mate, stingy from Europe on one side.
I know,
Mate,
mate.
Europe do better.
Alright guys, so now what we're basically going to do is we've popped the clips in. As you can see, we have, 2 up there. We've just been able to successfully pop in. Let's get this light out. Basically, it's a twist fit. Pull it out, and let's go get the LED one. Now we've got the new LED one here, and we're basically going to do the same thing. Push and pull, and there we go. Hey, and I believe what we're going to do as well, we're actually just going to plug out this connector here. So we're going to plug out this connector here and put in our patch harness. Alright guys, so what we've basically done here is we've been able to pull out this little tab, and we've got that connector out, so we've got the one here. We're going to get our patch harness now and put this in so we can wire it through to the reverse light trigger on the other side. Okay, so we got this one here guys. We're literally just going to plug it in like that. Push and pull, okay? And now we're going to go do the other side. Alright guys, we're on the other side now. What we're basically going to do is we're going to unplug this harness here. Let's see how we can do this. Plug it out just like that. So, now we're basically just going to use our patch harness here. Plug that in. We've got this other one here. We're going to get this is our original reverse bulb here. Take that out. Get the LED off Vinny.
Mate, give him a show of that.
Have you got the other one?
Yeah.
Yeah, beautiful. Alright, hold that. Alright, now we've got the LED for the main reverse side. I'm basically just going to get it into here. Twist and pull, okay? And now we're going to get this harness here. Plug it in like that.
So just a quick shout out to that Persian dude, Marcus and Gina Reacts, and My Type. Mate, we appreciate the comments. Give us a feedback on this one as well, and yeah.
Show you guys basically. That's the one side there. So now we're looking symmetrical.
Normal.
What do you reckon of that one, Vindog?
Mate, no more OCD, I back it.
You want to give us some? We'll give him a shot of the reverse.
Yeah.
We'll hold that, and we'll.
Oofed. Mate, definitely not going to run over the neighbour's kids or
No one's
dog
getting,
or something.
Everyone knows I'm going to be reversing now.
Yeah,
That looks good, man. Wow.
mate, beautiful.
Just freshened up the car a lot, hey?
Yeah, mate, look at that distance.
So they're so white as well.
Yeah.
Yeah. Reminded me of your interior lights.
Yeah.
Beautiful stuff.
Beautiful.
All right.
Alright guys, so I want to thank our good friend Alex for lending us this beautiful Datto for us to do this review on. We just ended racism between Italians and Greeks once and for all. So like, subscribe, leave a comment, turn your post notifications on. See you later.